Hello, this is Sheetal and today's remedy is going to be awesome. It is a protein and fat and antioxidant rich anti-aging, anti-wrinkle remedy. So I feel this is going to be superb for everybody. So let's get started. The first ingredient we need for this remedy is peanut butter. 1 tablespoonful of peanut butter. Make sure this peanut butter is smooth peanut butter and not the crunchy peanut butter. So peanuts are a wonderful source of proteins, essential fatty acids, and so many other good components that your skin loves. So you don't only use peanut butter on your toast, you can definitely use it on your skin as well. Okay, ingredient number 2 is going to be some mashed up banana and 1 tablespoonful of that, no more. And bananas are very hydrating to your skin. They have a lot of antioxidants like vitamin C and also lutein, which is really good to reduce that free radical damage which can result in premature aging, lines and wrinkles. Ingredient number 3 is this powerhouse antioxidant ingredient called turmeric, which I love to use as much as possible. Curcumin is a component in turmeric that is particularly antioxidant rich. It is an antioxidant and it reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles and also free radical damage, which can cause sagging of skin, lackluster skin, even dry skin. So I dropped in about 1/4 teaspoonful of it. You don't want to overdo it because it might stain your skin, but when used in this measurement, you should be just fine. Now I'm going to drop in some fuller's earth into this remedy, which is also called multani mitti. Now if you don't have fuller's earth, don't worry, you can use bentonite, you can use green clay, red clay, you can even use kaolin. Now the principle behind clays is that as they tighten on your skin, as they dry on your skin rather, they tighten up and they create this increased blood flow which your skin loves, so that can diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles. It also gives a very firm and tight look to your skin, and all clays are a wonderful source of minerals, and those minerals are very vital for the health and appearance of your skin. And all the clays, and particularly fuller's earth that I'm using in this mask, are also very detoxifying to the skin, so they will deep clean those pores. So I want to say I dropped in just about a teaspoonful of fuller's earth into this. You want to start really small. If you end up adding more than what you wanted to, you can always add a little bit of water, which I will do because I feel like this can be thinned out just a bit. So bear with me, I'm going to mix it up really well. Okay, so here we go. I ended up adding a little bit of water to get it to about this consistency, and you don't want it to be thinner than this because we are going to massage it into our skin. But if it is thicker, then it becomes a little difficult to massage in as well. So I feel like I hit just the right balance, just like this consistency is perfect. Okay, I'm getting very ready to use this remedy on my skin. But before I do it, I want to give out a shout out to Amanda and Renee, who used my turmeric and peanut butter remedy for firm skin, and they posted a picture of the 2 of them with this remedy on their skin, and it was fabulous to see this picture. So thank you and we love you. And another shout out is to Brandy, who used our eye mask remedy with banana peels, and she says the extra glow it gives. She's posted an after picture. So many thanks to Brandy as well. So let's just get started and let me teach you how to massage this remedy into your skin. I am not going to use a face mask brush, just my fingertips, because it is a massaging remedy. So just like that, it's quite easy. And here we go. So I am going to use circular and upward strokes, circular motion, to massage this mix into my skin. Now the first thing I can tell you is that this smells like banana, ripe banana that I use in this remedy, and like peanut butter. It's delectable, good enough to eat, and trust me, it feels so soothing and very cooling on my skin. So I'm going to do this massaging for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to get my neck area as well, of course my forehead, everywhere. I am not going to go too close to the eye area because this area beyond this point tends to be very delicate, so I don't want to go there. But as I said, 3 to 5 minutes of circular massaging and leave it on for an extra 10 to 12 minutes. If it thickens up while you are massaging it, feel free to add some water to it so that way you can thin it out. So I hope you love this remedy. Use it 1 to 2 times a week. It's all natural, it's fantastic, good enough to eat, and made with some very potent anti-aging, antioxidant ingredients. So let me know your comments in the comments below. Let me know what you would like the next video to be about. Like, share, subscribe, and up until the next time, take care. Oh, and did I say, if you're watching this video on YouTube, please take a second and subscribe to my channel